Okay, so today we will be learning to write data through uh, Modbus TCP/IP. So here you see I have create a uh, Ethernet network here, and that it will be used. Now I am directly going to the uh, that how to do that. See here I have used one ADDR block. ADDR block basically it will uh, convert uh, this things to array. Okay, and here we have used one write var, and this is the one triggering block. I have used S6 bit. So S6 bit is you see this is the time base. So in every 1 second this this we will get a raising edge. So once the raising edge is occurred, that time this whatever the data, this write data is there. You can if you want to know more details about this write var block, you can open the help, and from there you can understand in details what is this write var. Okay, so here in object I have used percentage MW. That means this is a standard syntax, so it will go to 4x register, and this is the starting number 100, and it will that array size will be 8. So that means if I write this, then what should be the register address where the value will be written. So in this case, so the first register will be, I have used 4x register, sorry, so it will be 400, and this is the 0th. Second register will be underscore 400 101, sorry, like that only it will move up to 7. So now say, so this is the data which is to be written. So I have used one more thing which is called here only my conversion will be taking place. Okay, so here I will be using few things. So first I will be using the block called real to int. Sorry, real to int. So this is the block. Okay, say I want to send the status of a particular digital pin. So for that, what I will use, I will use one NC and NO contact. So this address will be, say, this address will be one digital input, that is percentage I 0.2.16. Same for this I 0.2.16. Now if it is high, I will transfer 1. If it is low, I will transfer 0. Okay, and this I will be giving one particular variable integer. So percentage MD, say 1000. Sorry, percentage MW 1000. So here also I will give percentage MW 1000. Now this data, so if I go here, this data will be going to the first element of this write data array. You see, this is an array. This is an array of size 8. Okay. So for that I will use one more block which is called move. So I am keeping it here. So this input will be my percentage MW 1000 and this output. So now again you see the array name is write data. So this will go to the first element. So WRITE write data, that my first element. Similarly, if now I want to uh, send one say analog data, so it is similar. So I will first convert to I will convert the data real to int. Real to int. So this is my real to int. Now here I will give my that particular analog address, analog input, say that is percentage IW 0.4.7. Sorry. So this will take input value of real. So what I will do before that, as it is not taking, so first I will move. I will use a move command first. So move. So this is my move. Here I will give my percentage IW, this one. Now this output, whatever output is coming, you see that is that output. Here I will use that say here I will give one intermediate variable, say that is percentage MW 101. Or what we will do, no need to do that, directly we can give it here the my second array. So that is write data, my second element. Okay, now my code is ready. So I will go to the animation table to check that value. So I'll add here. So I'll go to my data write. So I'll take this first data, and also I'll take the second data. So this is my second data. I have taken it. Now I will connect the PLC. Now the PLC is connected. Now okay. Now I will go to that particular section. You see, in every 1 second that S6 bit is toggling. That means once the raging edge is coming, the data whatever coming to this write data array, it will be transferred to this IP address through Modbus protocol. So you see, now this is my that particular contact is, and as I told here, this is my for analog data. So that pin is nothing connected with nothing, that's why it is transferring 0. So let us force it. So this force the value to 1. You see, that time it will transfer 1. So once that particular pin is high, that time it will transfer 1, and if it is 0, sorry, now it is 0. So you see, it is transferring 0. So similar way, this will be for that analog IOs also. So let me unforce it. So this is the way to transfer the data to another host slave device in Modbus TCP/IP protocol, and this will be the block which can be used. So hope you have understood. Thank you so much.